guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be doing a Carotone Blackspot Corrector review. So this is the Carotone Blackspot Corrector that I'm reviewing. So this product, I've used this before, and what I mean, it take off dark spot for real, and it helps with black knuckles. Right here is how the cream looks, and I also sell this product, so if you want to order it, let me know, because girl, if you have them pimples and them dark spots up in your face, you need this product because it works for real. So right now I have two because I'm trying it out again because I want it for my face at the moment. So I took a break from skin lightening for a little while, so like a good little while. So I am using this to as a starter, basically, to lighten any dark spots that I have, right? And it works. And the soap, if you want to order the soap, let me know as well, because you know, this is, I'm not show you the soap. Let me show you the soap. Show you how it looks. Come on, the soap. Alright, this is how the soap looks, and you have to have the soap with the Carotone Blackspot Corrector because it's gonna work. Clean off your face, wash your face with lukewarm water, and voila, you can even use this for lightening your skin if you want to use it to lighten your skin.